Takedown. Start. All these appeals challenge the common judgment and order passed by the learned single judge of the Allahabad High Court dated 14th August 2019. Full stop. The facts in brief giving rise to the present appeals are as under. Full stop para. On 18th October 2007, Coal India Limited had introduced a new policy under the Fuel Supply Agreement (hereinafter referred to as FSA) was required to be entered into by coal company and purchasers of coal. Para. In pursuance of the said policy, on 13th April 2008, and FSA was entered into between the appellants in appeals arising out of SLP criminal numbers 834264 of 2019 and the Coal India Limited. On 25th March 2011, a joint surprise raid was conducted by the CBI in factory premises of Fertico Marketing and Investment Private Limited, and it was found that the coal purchased under the FSI was sold in the black market. It was further found by CBI that this was done in convenience with the unknown government officials, which led to loss of rupees 36.28 crore to the central government. Accordingly, on 13th April 2011, an FIR came to be registered by CBI for the offences punishable under section 120B and 420 of the IPC, and section 13 subsection 2 read with section 13 (1) of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 hereinafter referred to as the PC Act against Mr. Anil Kumar Agrawal, Director of such measures Fertico Marketing and Investment Private Limited, and unknown officials of the District Industries Central hereinafter referred to as DIC District Chandauli, so also unknown officials of Northern Coalfields Limited, Singrauli, Madhya Pradesh. During the course of investigation, it was found that two officers, namely Ramji Singh, the then General Manager DIC Chandauli, were also part of the conspiracy. Investigation revealed that these two officials had abused their official position and fraudulently and dishonestly sent false status reports regarding working conditions of the accused companies, and thereby dishonestly induced the Northern Coalfields Limited to supply coal on subsidized rates for obtaining pecuniary advantage. The competent authority granted Section 2 prosecute the two public servants on 31 May 2012, under Section 19 of the PC Act, charge sheet was filed on 31st March 2012 against the appellants under Section 120B, read with Section 420, Sections 467, 468 and 471 of the IPC. Various petitioners approached the High Court by filing petitions under Section 482 CRPC, praying for quashing the charge sheet summoning order and consequently proceedings pending before the Special Judge Anti-Corruption CBI. The learned single judge of the High Court voided his order dated 24th February 2015 and framed the following four questions for determination. Para. Having framed the aforesaid questions, the learned single judge has found in the judgment that another single judge of the said High Court has taken a view that when the state government had granted sanction to prosecute an accused, it is implied that the Permission for investigation was also granted. Full stop. The learned single judge discharged with the earlier view taken by another learned single judge. Full stop.